What is data? Raw and isolated facts about an entity is called as data. Example is audio, video, image, or it can be text. Information: processed, meaningful, and usable data, and what you need at current time is called as information. Example: suppose we have a book as a data and we created assignment of 30 pages. That is information for us because we processed the information data in the book and created information. So A1 30 pages assignment is information for us. Suppose we have all student details, name, ID, course, address, phone number, etc. in the database. That is our data. But clerk require the information of course of student. And like MCA fees is 30,000, MBA fees is 40,000. Teacher requires info of course of the student for the internal marks of the subjects. Database is collection of similar or related data items is known as database. Example is data of all students, BCA students, all student assignments. वीडियो एक डाटा है और अगर यूट्यूब ले ले तो एक डाटा बेस है. इमेज एक डाटा है, अगर इंस्टाग्राम ले ले तो एक डाटा बेस है. Now, why we need database? Disadvantages of file system क्या थी? Data redundancy, same data in the multiple files. Suppose our data is stored in Excel. One file contains from where you buy the item, one file contains from where you sell the item, and one file contains how much quantity is left in the stock. In database, we can only use one file, one database which contains all these information about ए प्रोडक्ट. डाटा इनकन्सिस्टेंसी, सेम डाटा है हमारा, मल्टीपल वैल्यूज, सेम डाटा है मल्टीपल फाइल्स में. अगर हमारी स्टॉक आया है तो वी चेंज इन्वेंट्री आई टू 55 थी तो उसको 50 कर दिया, पर कुछ फाइल्स में हमारा वो 5 ही रह गया. जब नेक्स्ट टाइम हम एक्सेस करेंगे तो हमारा क्या होगा? डाटा इनकन्सिस्टेंस. डिफिकल्टी इन असेसिंग डाटा. सपोज वी हैव टू असेस वन क्वेरी आइटम हैविंग क्वांटिटी ग्रेटर देन 50. First step is go to each item and check. Second, make one program जो भी डिपेंडेंट होगा फाइल के. Third is we can use database, then use SQL language to query how much quantity of each item is left. Data isolation. If some software written in language C and Excel files are stored according to C, but if we change C to other language, software will also change, Excel file also used to change. But if we use database approach, database is stored independent of the language used in the application program. We can change application program whenever we change the language of program. Security problem. In database approach, we can define who have read access or read write access. Atomicity problem. Operation should be executed completely. 10 रुपीज़ अगर आपके डिडक्ट हुए हैं आपके अकाउंट से तो आपका रिचार्ज भी होना चाहिए. ये ना हो कि 10 रुपीज़ डिडक्ट हो गए, रिचार्ज आपका हुआ नहीं है. कंकरेंसी असेस. concurrency problem. Many user can access data at the same time and perform operation like ATM service. Integrity problem. Bank balance cannot be zero. Primary key cannot have null value. Why need database? DBMS. Data in past few years stored in the text but nowadays stored in image, video, so database is required. If database is created, it must have, अगर database को create किया गया तो कोई ना कोई उसका audience होगा जिसको बाद में उसको डाटा को यूज़ करना, उसको एक्सेस करना है, उसको मैनिपुलेट करना, कुछ चेंज भी करना है अपने अकॉर्डिंग. So DBMS is required to create and manage and change the database. DBMS is a collection of programs that enables users to create and manage database. मतलब उस ऑडियंस को उस डाटाबेस जो क्रिएट किया है यूज़ करने के लिए DBMS की ज़रूरत पड़ती है.